The transportation industry is undergoing a unique transformation, and their core trends are focused on digital enablement of a transportation company. The reason for that is, according to a recent Boston Consulting Group study, there's a 49% profit differential between the haves and have-nots of digital enablement. Meaning those companies that are digitally enabled are able to drive profits at a significantly increased level as opposed to those companies that aren't. And we're seeing that across the entire industry. They're doing this by focusing on three key trends. First off, how do I create differentiated services that scale for my customers, so that I can not only create a service that's required for a single customer, but be able to remarket, resell that service to other customers. Secondly, they're focusing on providing unique, connected, IoT-driven services that allow for higher levels of efficiency in terms of asset utilization, as well as customer specificity when it comes time to create contracts and service levels that support those particular contracts. Thirdly, these manufacturers are creating unique environments that are focused on removing labor, removing tribal knowledge at the base level, and automating processes, as well as building almost wholly autonomous applications to ensure they're able to gain margin based on the transactions that they might support, either from an asset-based perspective, a non-asset-based perspective, or from a customer service perspective.